Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sandro here. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the rock work that's going on our west van job. A good way to tell if the guy's doing a good job or not is to look at, this is full bed, thick stone, and it's 4 inches thick, most of it roughly in that area, and you see how tight he gets in with the rock, and takes his time to actually hammer out the big rocks and get them fitting so tight like that. That's when you know a guy spent some time and knows what he's doing. It's definitely an art, and it's a craft to do that and be efficient doing it. And yeah, you can see how tight he's got his joints in there. And when the joints get really big, that's when you know a guy kind of just puts the rock without actually having to chip it and get the corners fitting nicely. So that's how you tell if the guy's doing a good job or not. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.